Well, hello and welcome. If you run a field service business, you're a cleaning company, a maintenance company, deliveries, home maintenance, electricians, plumbers, you name it, anybody that has a field service type of business that is there allocating jobs to external team members to go and complete those, and you're running Zoho CRM, then I have the product for you. This is LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM, and it integrates directly into your existing Zoho CRM environment. As you can see here, I'm inside Zoho CRM and I click the LogixOne Operator module, and here I am. I can manage all of my job scheduling, operations management completely from within inside my Zoho CRM environment. No other field service solution for Zoho CRM is integrated as tightly as what this is into Zoho CRM. So on the left-hand side here, I have my Zoho CRM environment as advised, and on the right-hand side, I have an instance of the LogixOne Operator app running, which is available either in an Android or Apple iOS format. And this is the device that your field service personnel, your cleaners, electricians, or whatever they might be, are using to get and complete their jobs. So very quickly to run through it, basically what it can do, I can, as you can see here, I'm in the timeline view. I can see and create my jobs here and allocate them to my field service operators, which are all listed down here on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I can see this is Chris Wilson. He's one of my operators. Chris can start his shift. And you'll notice over here that Chris is now started his shift, and Chris can get his jobs here. We let them load, and here we are. Chris can see all of his jobs. Chris can navigate into those jobs, get customer information, navigate to the job. He can check in. You can see very quickly as he checks in here for the job on the 19th. If we watch here, this will go to purple, and we now know that that job is in progress. Chris can go forward and complete the job, listing off what he's actually done. He can add additional items if he likes to the job, put in up notes, and then he can save and complete that. And once he does that, you'll notice that this will go green here. He's then created a completed invoice for that. So basically everything from quoting to job scheduling to job completion to invoice creation is contained within inside the existing Zoho CRM environment. Chris can mark the job for follow-up. If the customer has requested a signature, he can get the customer to sign here, put his name in here, and all of those details are captured back within inside the CRM. You'll notice here that that job has actually been completed, and now if I click that job, you can see now I can see the actual invoice that's been created for that job. So let's open that up very quickly, and there you go. There's the invoice. Everything that's relevant to that job is there. The operator's name, where the job was completed, where the check-in occurred, with customer signature, the time to complete, the items that were actually used and completed. And then if you want, you've got our sync to Zoho Books. You can actually sync that invoice to Zoho Books. So hopefully what you can see here is that we're not leaving Zoho CRM. Even if we've got Zoho One and we're logged in to that, we can basically do everything with inside our Zoho environment, and there's that Zoho Books invoice. So I'll quickly open that up, and we'll notice that now we can see the actual Zoho Books invoice that can be sent to a customer and receive payment. There it is there. Okay, just dropping back into LogixOne Operator, just a few of the other additional features. You can see that I get a real-time update on the jobs that are occurring here at the top. I can see all of my operators. I can filter by operators if I like. I can filter by who's in shift, who's not in shift. I can create operators from here. Here we're looking at a timeline view. I can show the day view. I can show a week view or a month view. I can also switch to I can also drag and drop events. So let's go back to the week, and let's say Chris has got too many here. Let's drag that down to Margie. I can do that. And then that job will be synced to Maggie's device. If I wanted to, I could actually go into the day view, and I could take this job and make it longer from within here, or I could drag it up and give it to Margie if I wanted to. So you can see all of that's updating. And as I'm doing that, it's updating on that operator's device, okay? We also have a calendar view, which basically allows us to show all of the jobs for all of our operators in one view. Again, you can filter by operator, by removing operators, or you could show two operators if you like here. Um, by using the filter. You see all those jobs come back up. You'll notice in the calendar view, we've got this little hazard here showing that the job's in progress and the little tick showing the job's completed. And again, I can click that and I can open up the underlying invoice, or I could take this job and I could make it half an hour longer, like that, simply as that, by dragging and dropping. All right, so that's the calendar view. Now, we've also got geolocation. So we can track our operators geographically. So you'll notice here, I click the little map and I can come in here. I've only got one operator running in here, but you might have, oh no, I've actually got a few. And you can see here they are here, and I can see exactly where they are. And these will update live. Every 10 seconds, they will update with information being sent back from the app that's on the device. Also, if the operator goes off shift, we'll go back to here, they stop their shift. We'll notice here that Chris goes red, so we can see that Chris is red and not in shift. He can start his shift again, and we can see that now he's running in his shift, and go back to his jobs. You'll also notice that when he finished that job went green, so now he knows that that job is completed. He can go on to his next job. All right, and then check in. In addition to geographically locating the actual operators, I can also map my job events. I can map my jobs, my accounts, and my contacts, and even my operator history, so I can see a record of where my operators have been during a certain period of time. Okay, the other feature with inside LogixOne Operator is the operator log. Here I can see all of my operators and get a log. I can filter by all operators, and I can filter by a date range, and then I can see all of my log. So if I click this one here, I'll click Chris, open Chris up, and then here's all of Chris's log for that period. You can see that here Chris has started shift, stopped shift, checked in, checked out, and then it's actually mapping the location where all of these have occurred. Plus, I can link to the underlying job, the job event, or the actual invoice. And then, of course, you can export this report in a Excel or CSV format. So you can open up an Excel and you can import that into your payroll system for paying your employees. So let's just go back to scheduler. All right. So yeah, that's basically it. You can do things like attach attachments to the actual job. The operators can upload files to the job if it's completed. Again, you can ask the customer to sign a job. There's so many different other features in here that I haven't had the time to go through. You can search for jobs in here, so I can sort of say peppers, and you can see it will filter by that the search text there, just making it easier to find jobs if you need. So look, that's very quick demonstration of LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. It's a very powerful tool. There's a lot of other features that haven't been detailed here. We have SMS integration. Again, you showed the synchronization integration to Zoho Books. And of course, given that it's based on Zoho, you can further customize the solution to meet your requirements, such as creating reports and dashboards, but also creating different fields, customized fields, or customized workflows to further make the product meet your business and not make your business meet the softwares. So thanks for watching. We're happy to do private demonstrations. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and look forward to you demonstrating or trialing LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM, which you can actually install yourself from the Zoho Marketplace. Please do reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.